Next, gakos, hug. Gakos could also mean embrace, not just hug. Okay, it's an embrace. Hug or embrace, all right? Past tense, ni gakos, hugged. Our example, ni gakos ko sa akong anak. I hugged my child. Ni gakos ko sa akong anak. I hugged my child. Ni gakos, hugged. Ko is I, sa. So where when use sa when you are going to do something to someone, okay? Sa akong is my anak, child, okay? Nigakos ko sa akong anak. I hug my child. Present tense. In this example, mga higa, the pronunciation here, the stress is on ga, okay? Nagakos, okay? Nagakos sila. That means they are hugging each other. Alright? Nagakos means hugging. Sila is they. Okay? They. Future tense. Pwede ko mugakos nimo. Okay? Mugakos will hug. Mugakos will hug. Pwede ko mugakos nimo. Can I hug you? Okay? Can I hug you? So when you say puede means can, ko is I, mugakos is hug, nimo to hug. Basically, mugakos means to hug. Nimo is you. So, pwede ko mugakos nimo, can I hug you? Okay, let's have a quick review. Gakos, hug. Past tense, ni gakos, hugged. Nagakos, hugging. Mo gakos will hug. Okay, will hug.